Today I will show you the best overhead camera setup under 30 bucks. Hi, I'm Alan Chamo and I'm here to help speakers and entertainers in their virtual journey. Many of you have the need to have an overhead camera. Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you do some sketches. In my case, I'm a magician, so I need to have an overhead camera when I do some card tricks or anything else that I do on the table. In most cases, your cell phone would be a great camera as an overhead camera, as your second camera. Now in this video, we will talk hardware, basically how to mount your cell phone, what's the best way to do it. We're not going to discuss so much the software. I have another video for that. I'm going to put the link right here. And with that, you'll be able to connect your iPhone or smartphone and use it. I mostly use Ecamm Live and I connect that to Zoom and other applications. You might just want to have your phone recording when you're cooking or when you're drawing and when you're doing magic or whatever it is that you need it for. So let's get into it. And you can do all that probably with things you have at home. So to do this setup, all you will need is a universal mobile cell phone adapter. This is what you normally use for these little tripods for mobile devices. So you can get one of these. It's about $7-8. You probably have one of these at home. Just look for it. All of them have the same threading, okay? So just get one of these. I put all the links in the notes below. You will need a microphone suspension boom arm, something like this. Okay, this one is made by Neewer. I will put all the links below. It comes with this that you connect to a table. This goes right here, and this goes to the table. You can extend it on top of you, and to this you need to connect your adapter. Now, you will need an adapter between this and this because this is a different threading than here. This uses a 1/4 inch. So also, if you're an entertainer and you have, let's say, a GoPro, maybe you have an adapter that you use for microphone stands to GoPro. So with those adapters, you might find exactly the threading you need. If not, I will put also on the show link. I'll put in the link and adapter. I have this one from my GoPro. Okay, and it comes with a little adapter, and from here it goes straight. This is what goes to any camera. You can just connect it like this, and there you go. This connects to here. Perfect. And now you're good to go. All this under 30 bucks. Please be aware that this setup is designed to hold up to 1 kilogram. Basically, don't try to mount your SLR camera or any heavy cameras. It's not designed for this. It's a great setup for a mobile device. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell so you are notified every time I put up a new video. My name is Alan Chamo, helping entertainers and speakers in their virtual journey.